Pizza with extra cheese. You sure know how to please my tummy. Pizza, you got the cheese. Sauce and those toppings taste good to me. Pepperoni and sausage too. Then add some veggies, they're good for you. There's a hole in my head where you go in. A tasty pizza, my meal again. But one more thing before I eat. Oh, taste of pizza, you need